In ancient times, a wise philosopher named Epictetus lived in the middle of bustling streets and philosophical debates. Despite the constant noise and commotion of the city, he was known for his moments of profound silence. Legend tells us that Epictetus discovered a timeless truth during his moments of quiet retreat. In life's chaos, he realized that true wisdom arises from embracing inner stillness. In today's video, we're exploring how silence profoundly influences our lives, why it is important, and how ancient philosophers brought peace into their lives by embracing it. So without further delay, let's begin. Epictetus was known for his practical wisdom and Stoic philosophy, offering profound insights into inner tranquility and resilience. He taught that silence is more than just the absence of speech, it's a state of inner stillness and reflection. In a world filled with constant noise and distraction, silence can be a powerful tool for grounding ourselves and finding clarity. Practicing silence helps us be mindful of our words and avoid unnecessary and harmful speech. It creates space for introspection and self-examination, leading to greater self-awareness and mental clarity. When we take the time to be silent, we can hear our inner thoughts and understand our true desires and fears. By embracing silence, we can focus on what truly matters, align with our values, and build resilience. Silence provides a moment to pause and reflect, allowing us to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. It helps us to prioritize our actions and maintain our composure in challenging situations. Silence also allows us to listen more and learn from others, fostering personal growth and wisdom. In conversations, silence can be a sign of respect and attention, giving others the space to express themselves fully. For Epictetus, silence was a sanctuary for nurturing the true self and finding inner peace. Through silence, we can cultivate a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. In today's fast-paced world, silence isn't just the absence of noise. It's a powerful tool for mental clarity and personal growth. Embracing silence allows us to step back from the constant buzz of life and reconnect with ourselves. Silence fosters mindfulness by helping us to carefully choose our words and listen more attentively. It provides a space for introspection, where we can untangle our thoughts and understand our deepest desires. When we practice silence, we cultivate resilience. It gives us the strength to respond thoughtfully in challenging situations, rather than reacting impulsively. This pause allows us to align with our values and make decisions that resonate deeply. Moreover, silence promotes empathy and understanding. By listening attentively to others without rushing to speak, we create an environment where genuine connections can flourish. For centuries, philosophers like Marcus Aurelius have extolled the virtues of silence. They believed that in the quiet moments, we discover wisdom and inner peace that eludes us in the noise of everyday life. In essence, silence is not just a moment of quietude. It's a transformative practice that enhances our well-being and enriches our relationships. It's about embracing stillness to gain clarity, resilience, and a deeper connection with ourselves and others. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, finding peace can feel like a distant dream. But amidst the relentless noise, there exists a profound path to tranquility: silence. Silence isn't just the absence of sound. It's a powerful tool that reconnects us with our true selves. By embracing moments of quiet reflection, we calm our minds and find clarity amidst chaos. Practicing silence cultivates mindfulness, guiding us to choose our words wisely and cut through distractions. It becomes a sanctuary for self-examination, revealing our deepest desires and fears. In today's whirlwind pace, silence offers a precious pause to breathe deeply and regain perspective. It helps us realign with what truly matters, grounding our actions in our core values. Silence isn't about withdrawal, it's about forging deeper connections. It enables us to truly hear others, fostering empathy and mutual understanding. It's a gesture of respect that nurtures meaningful conversations and mutual growth. Furthermore, peace through silence enhances our relationships, allowing us to communicate authentically and with greater compassion. It nurtures patience and empathy, strengthening the bonds that create harmony in our lives. Ultimately, peace through silence is a vital journey, an intentional practice that builds inner resilience and strength. It equips us to face life's challenges with grace and authenticity, empowering us to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. So, embrace the art of silence today. Discover how this simple yet profound practice can urgently bring lasting peace and harmony into your life. During our busy lives, embracing silence can seem challenging, yet the ancient Stoics recognized its profound power as a path to inner peace and wisdom. Let's discover Stoic approaches for embracing silence. Number 1. Morning meditation is fundamental. Begin your day with silent reflection to center your mind, setting a calm tone for the day ahead. Number 2. Journaling is another powerful tool. Spend time in daily silence to write about your thoughts and experiences. This clarifies emotions and provides insight into your inner world. Number 3. Taking nature walks can also be transformative. Escape the noise and immerse yourself in nature's silence. This practice calms the mind and fosters a deeper connection with the natural world. Number 4. Pausing before speaking is key. Before responding, take a moment of silence to consider your words. This ensures thoughtful responses, reducing misunderstandings and conflicts.